what you say.
Jason Derulo.
That it's all for the best, because it is.
I was so wrong for so long, only trying to please myself. Girl, I was caught up in her lust when I don't really want no one else. Oh no, no, I should've treated you better, but me and you were meant to be forever. So let me in, give me another chance to really be a man. Cause when the roof caved in and the truth came out,